just saying, if you broke it off with him, you should at least figure out what you're going to tell Mom and Dad.
Those bulls as soon as they're born.
They're the ones in love with the guy.
What? Would Jesus do?
Grass now, Salva grass baby.
I'm no fanatic. What I am is a fan. Oh, God.
That serpent-headed demon shaking you by the...
You wanted the back way home. That's 10 hours of preachers, farm reports, and country.
Could you possibly just shut up and drive, please?
You broke my heart in two. Now I can't find the duct tape to put it together for you. Come on, girl, sing along now. When I met you, I thought I would die. I wanted to cry. Didn't know you were evil or that you would hurt me. Mr. Polystyracting guy. Turns out you're a twin and... Jesus! What the hell's his problem?
Just get out of his way, Derry! Let him pass you, Derry! What are you doing?
You're on me!
Get off the road and let him pass you!
Nuts!
I know he's not slower!
Around me!
Slow down and let him fucking pass you!
I'm trying!
Jesus.
Shit!
What the hell is his problem?
My first guess? Inbreeding! Get a load of that nasty old thing. What is that? The vehicle of choice for assholes and fucking serial killers?